Good morning, my fellow traders. Just a random live session here. That was not planned. I was just sitting and just decided to do a quick live session for you guys. Since it's Friday, it's my off day from the markets, and that's why I was just sitting around to see, to look at the markets with you guys. So let's see what's happening with the markets today. If you have any questions, guys, please feel free to comment. I'll take a look for you. Shamir is here. Damien, of course. Good to see you, Damien. Chandan. Fatima is here. Hi, Fatima. And Kosik is here as well. Good to see you guys. Gold. Yeah, why not? Yeah, gold is playing out really nice since the last analysis I've done on the YouTube. It's been going perfectly fine. Today is a non-farm payroll, and it shows an unemployment rate as well. And we had a non-farm payroll, and that's slightly higher than expected. That's a bit bullish for dollar, but I don't think that's it's gonna impact much. But we have non-farm payroll here. That is forecast is 4.3, which is negative for dollar. Means gold can still push higher today. We can take a look at silver. Okay. Gas is still within the range of this rejection box. As long as that is not broken, we are still not bullish. Yesterday it did push down from this top till here, around 180R move we have got yesterday. Not a big one. Even if you look at this double top, 180R then pushed up. Still not completely bullish for natural gas, unless and until it's not broken above these highs. Very important. Alicia, good to see you. We are looking at silver. What's happening with silver? My chart is a bit messed up. I need to fix the order. Silver must be, and the gas must be on the top. Now, big moves are expected today, guys. Be very careful with your trades. We have got this channel pattern here on silver. So I would like to see a breakout above. Now that is just a technical signal, not as enough fundamentals, because if the fundamentals goes against that, it will destroy all the technicals. So that is why today is a very important day for your trades. But technically, if we are broken out and closed above, we can see a continuation towards the next level of support, resistance up there in red. Hi Luna. Euro USD, Fatima? Yeah, for sure. So yeah, keep an eye on this symmetrical pattern here. Just a range market, nothing else. I wouldn't go for any trades for Euro USD on 4 hour. On 1 hour, if you want to go for the intraday trades, and then only look for buy trades for Euro USD. Don't look for sell at this point. So I would wait for some more red candles above 50 EMA with pullback in golfer just to go long. So I'll be only stay on the buy side, not towards the sell side. Yeah, we are above 50 EMA, a bullish cross happening here as well. So looking at that, expect some good move. Again, non-farm payrolls there. It can dramatically move the markets up or down. So expect at least move to these highs right here. Thomas, not many, but I've seen nat gas is performing well on 1 hour. Gold is performing well on 1 hour. All the instrument I'm doing on YouTube, that has been tested on 1 hour mainly, not excluding platinum and the other commodities. Gold has been tested fine. Nat gas is tested fine. It's working fine on 1 hour, and yeah, that's all. I don't trade on 1 hour mainly. But if you are taking your trades on double tops, double bottoms, that is fine to trade on 1 hour. I do trades all the forex pairs on 1 hour and commodities as well. My pleasure, Fatima. Hello, Akshay. Good to see you. Damien, if NatGas starts to push down, we'll see. The top is not broken yet. Yes, 50 EMA. A good gap to 50 EMA. Flat RSI. Yeah. We might get another engulfer here. If that happens, that's a sell signal. The price will push down again. So don't. I won't be buying till we are not broken above these highs. Very important. Yeah, looks good. Like towards the sell side as well. Yeah, if there is bearish conditions now. Hi Rizwan, good to see you. My pleasure, Thomas. Just a random live session, guys. Without any plans. So, any questions? If you have, let me know. I'll take a look for you. Platinum. I'm just looking for any opportunities. Maybe you guys can watch it later on. Zinc, yeah, why not? Sure. The order has been messed up here. I need to fix the order again. Where's zinc has gone now? Right at the top. Nice bullish candle here. That's causing this push up here, and we are looking at the next level above, which is right here. So we can just adjust a bit exactly like this. So have your resistance zone ready to sell zinc here. 277.40 goes up to 280.95. And just a quick disclaimer, guys, don't take analysis as any sort of trading advice, just my opinion, and should only taken as an education purpose only. Don't take my words on it, guys. Just a quick disclaimer here. So I have a zone ready here for zinc. So I will sell from here with entry patterns like bearish engulfers or double top. Not too far, getting closer. We already got a first top here. We might get a double top before the price push down. Damien, trust me, I when I started my career in trading, I used to laugh about live cattles. And when I saw this ticker in my broker's platform, I was joking with my friends that I've bought few cattles. So I trade live cattles a lot. I used to. Never made money, but I used to trade them. Yes, gas was discussed, and I was talking about that. Gas is still not completely bullish. We might see some push down to 50 EMA as price has not closed above yet completely. I'm seeing this pattern here as well for gas. But don't get yourself confused for that with that at this point. So only the break above this high will confirm the upside move. A solid close above these highs that signals up gas will now push up. But if he stays below this rejection box, the price will likely to push down at least to 50 EMA. I'm expecting some push down out of gas. Yes, Thomas, that's correct. Uh, Gas on MCX. Okay. Wow, on Awanda we are getting this triple top on gas. Now if that close, that will be a solid sell signal here. Getting that on capital.com as well. Looks like gas is reacting to the top here. JJFX, my pleasure. Anytime. Nemix is very slow. And someone asked me a question about London. Oh, my hometown, my second home. I was going to look at nat gas. Yeah. Okay. Uh, MCX here. So for MCX, just keep this rejection box here, and it must break above this rejection box for the next buy trade. If that breaks above this high, only then we're going to go long. Otherwise, I'm expecting some solid retracement to 50 EMA. Then I'll be buying net gas again. So expect some push down correction and push higher. We already have a double top there. Yes, that been delayed for few minutes, not a longer delay. I might be buying this package where we can get a direct feed from New York. Gas is funny at this point. We're getting this nice pattern here as well. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we can still buy. Uh, there is a subscription we can buy. It's not too expensive. It's only a couple of dollars I need to pay, and I can get a direct feed. So I might be doing that soon. Oh yes, true. Oh, I know what you mean now. Delayed mean. Yeah, might push down um, later on. Gold and silver ratio is bullish, means we can expect some retracement from gold and silver towards the downside. So I'm expecting a downside move. Big correction I'm expecting out of gold and silver. Then I'll be buying again once we have a good correction with conditions like in golfers. Lots of rejection here, Thomas. Yeah, triple top means we still have sellers there to push the market lower. We'll see. Coffee is forming a nice pattern here, and let me mark that here. Perfect. Symmetrical pattern here. So look for the solid breakout above or below for the coffee. Crude oil, yeah, sure. All of my instrument has been not in order. So capital.com is here. Anda is here. Where is my Nemix? Here. Bearish for crude oil, of course, yeah. For now, technically we are bearish. As long as we are below 50 EMA, we are not selling, we are not buying crude oil. And the next buying zone is right here. If you are trading on capital.com or Nemix, let me know which platform do you prefer. I can take a look for you. They mean it's gonna, if the data has come as expected, the indices is gonna push higher, according to the data. And gold and silver might be pushing down for a short term. So, according to that, let me open that up for you. So if there is a bad job data, then the stock's gonna rise. Like Nasdaq, US 30 can rally. Tech stocks can also rally. But if the job data is bad, then it will scare the investors and cause a temporary panic, and then you will see a pullbacks from indices. So according to the data, that is something I'm seeing here right in front of me. Oil can gain slightly, then drop. That is just fundamentals I'm looking at. Gold can push up if the dollar weakens. Yeah, so that's a bit of fundamentals here. Oh, okay, capital.com. Yeah, so right here. So according to capital.com, we are bearish and we are looking for pullbacks and bearish trades only. I will not dare to buy crude oil at this point. We are bearish. We are below 50 EMA. Let's look at on daily time frame. We are below 50 EMA. Solid bearish engulfer right at the at 50 EMA. That is also one of my entry patterns for bearish trade. That would be my entry. Take profit would be somewhere here if I would have entered this trade on a daily time frame. Hi Theo, good to see you. And Nemix. Yeah, same with Nemix. Below 50 EMA and on a daily bearish pullback pattern here, right here, that's a bearish signal for me. And on Nemix, I'm expecting at least price to hit these lows. So what's the ticker on MCX crude oil? Here. A bearish pattern here as well. Yeah. Bearish below 50 EMA. sideways market, but bearish at this point, at least to these lows, to 5,421 level. But today data can cause some pullbacks. Bearish cross, as you can see on MCX, we are getting here as well. So be careful for buying. Soya oil, yeah, and CAD as well. We had a trade on soya as well. We are now at this level, TCZ level. Looking at that, expecting a bounce, maybe a double bottom would be preferable because there is no entry condition here. So double bottom will confirm the entry here. Nifty, Ankit, we've been doing some badass, I would say, Nifty analysis. I'm going to take a look at crypto as well. I still remember Nifty. You are a member as well. I can see the star in front of you. So I've given that in the members only video. So we were expecting a bounce from here, double bottom here, expecting a bounce for Nifty as well, at least to 50 EMA. And here on Nifty 50, we're expecting a bounce right from here. That has been happened. Now we are still not bearish, so I'm expecting some further bounce from Nifty 50. So both are bullish technically at this point. Looking at this level, a very strong level here, as you can see, strong level. So expecting a bounce from Nifty. We'll see how that goes. That's my pleasure, Akshay. Oh yeah, okay. So what are we looking at crypto? Someone asked me Dodge. I've also bought few Dodge. Was not a good idea. Trust me, it's hot here. 32 degrees. Okay. There's Dodge. Dodge must break above this this pattern. Must break above. Solid. If that happens, you will see a solid spike out of Dodge. A solid close candle coming out, you will see a push up. But if that goes down, you will see a further push down. Very simple here. Yes, Damien. My pleasure, Sam. Yeah. I'll be doing more live sessions, hopefully this, I would say in upcoming months. Okay, and my pleasure. So Link is one of my investments here. Guys, don't invest just because I've invested in that. Just to let you know, my investments, feel free to do your research. If you like it, do it. If you don't like it, don't do it. So Link is my investments. Matic is my investments here. Algo is my investments here. Dot is one of my investments here. Mover is my short-term investments. I do trade Mover for a scalp up and down. Let's see BTC. Look at BTC. We are still below 50 EMA, a bearish engulfer right here. So that signals the BTC is going to push down anytime soon. So be careful, guys. If you are future trading on BTC or spot trading, I would not buy BTC at this point. I'll just go for the sell side. At least I'm expecting a move down of 400 points. Move down, I'm expecting $4,000 move I'm expecting. towards the downside. That's a longer term analysis. And if you look here on XRP, a nice pattern we are getting here. Wow. Not many touches yet. We are getting few. Where is XRP? A nice continuation pattern here on XRP as well. All of them are forming a same pattern. As you know, the indices they move side by side. Triangle pattern here as well. Keep an eye on the breakout. Breakout will confirm the move, upside or downside. We have good 1-2 touches, solid 1-2-3 touches here. If we are broken down below, then I'll be expecting a move down at least to these levels right here, 2.28. That goes to 2.32. That's a minor anchor. Very, very weak level here. Keep an eye here. Hey Thomas, good to see you. Hi Marek. Expect a gap up and gap down. That I can tell when the market will close. How it closes, then I can tell that. I will look at the news over the weekend. That depends on the weekend activity. What happens over the weekend, because lots of stuff happens over the weekend. Lots of Trump statements comes over the weekend. Lots of things happens over the weekend. So that causes the gaps up and down. Not technicals. Gaps mainly happens due to fundamentals. Oh, Sam, thank you so much, Miladul Nabi. Yep, it's a celebration night here today as well for the Prophet's birthday. Thank you so much. And same to you. Thomas is here, one of the regular member we have. We had a nice breakout out of UK 100 index, and we are nicely flying up here. I was expecting more push up, at least to these highs, but that can go against us if the fundamentals today comes against us. So, but technically we are strong, and we can see a push up here. US indices S&P 500 just broken out and made a new high. So we are looking at further continuation. The range has been broken, and looking at that, we can see a possible continuation towards the upside for S&P 500 as well. Yeah. But expect some breather and pullbacks. JP225, a nice double bottom form, a nice push up. The report was sent to the members. Vishal, not confirmed yet, because like I mentioned, we are gonna I'm gonna make Monday's weekends video, so I need to do a research of what's happening over the weekend, and if there is a major fundamentals or news events happens over the weekend, and that will cause the gap up and gap down. And I need to see how the price closes over the weekend. So keep an eye on my Sunday's video. I'll be recording hopefully today. Platinum? No, let's look at platinum. Platinum is now below 50 EMA and I'm no longer looking for buying platinum. Long term, we are not completely bearish. Short term, we are. So we have a little support right here. Yeah, that's a little support from where you can see a possible bounce. And if this bounce is strong enough and break above 50 EMA, I'll start to look for my buying trades to the next level of resistance. So keep an eye on some sort of buy bullish engulfers double bottom pattern here. But if the price breaks below these lows right here, then we are completely bearish and we can see a possible fall out of platinum. Dollar is pushing down already. That's one of my trade that's still running. We'll see how that goes. Euro is getting stronger, which is good for me since I'm in the trade as well. CHF-JPY is nicely pushing higher. CHF is getting stronger. Yeah. Yeah, sure, Damien. Where is that gone now? Damien, we have just got a retest of this anchor resistance. Yeah. A possible retest is happening here. I'm expecting a push down out of this index. Previous support turned resistance, and we have a bearish candle here, not a strong one. But if we have a one more pullback, double top, we can see a push down. Still have a signal here, rejection here. John, pump or dump, which one are you asking about? Nasdaq D1, yeah, Fernando. Nasdaq for now is bullish, but expect some corrections. We have price just made a new high. Just talking about technicals only because, like I said, we had a non-farm payroll that can, according to that, we might see a push out of indices. So I'm expecting at least a push up if things goes fine with the news. Technically, we had price just made a new high. We can see a possible push up, formation of double top. And then you can see a breather and push up. No entry here, but my bias for now is bullish till the first stop. For my next buy continuation trades, I want to see a breakup of this high and then a retest and a continuation towards the upside. On 4 hours, simply a pullback I want to see and then engulfing candle. Very risky to buy here because we already have a good push up, overbought in the RSI, and that is something we need to see as well. So pullback is very important for your next entry. That will be your engulfer, which confirms your buy signal. Hey Shimon, is one of the our premium member, and good to see you here. Triple top we have got here, yeah. Okay, where we have, yeah, 1 2 3 tops here. We were already bearish since yesterday. We already got one ATR move from this candle. Rejection here. If that turns out to be a bearish candle, that signals we can see a likely push down at least to 50 EM. I'm expecting from here. And if you see that is also forming, if you see a spinning top follows bearish candle, means indecision A turns, a bears are taking over, means the price will likely to push down from here. So that will confirm the indecision into a bearish moves. So keep an eye here. Price failed to break above these highs multiple times, so I won't be buying till I see a complete and solid close above. On 1 hour, we already got a bearish engulfer, that we already got a push down if you trade on 1 hour with this triple top aggressive entry. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, now we have an option to for you to translate. You can just change the language from the settings, and you can use the translated version of my videos, which is good for everyone. And if you still have confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I can reply you back, and you can translate that in your language as well. So anything, whichever is comfortable for you. What a nice break we had here on sugar. That was set in the live session with the members only. Here, I'll show that in my weekend's video where we set the symmetrical triangle pattern. Not for the trade, but just to see a bias of the market. Now we had a bias below, and we are looking at the support here. Due to oversold, we can expect some pullbacks and then a fall to my support from where I'll be buying. And I'm waiting patiently for these zones above one above and one below. Yes, Damien, at least 50 EMA, that is something I'm also expecting from that. Corn is forming a double top. We already had a nice move down from corn, but we might be seeing a double top pattern here. We'll see how that goes as well. Just a quick overview here. $13.30 means it's now what's my time here? Only 6 minutes to go, guys. Sure. 6 minutes to go, and you'll see a nice moves. So according to that, the employment rate is not a big difference here. Job numbers, not a big difference here, only 75,000. So that's not going to affect the dollar much. So I'm still bearish for dollar here. Means gold can still rise, indices can rise. Here we are bearish for the negative data is forecasted. We'll see how that goes. 6 minutes to go. I guess, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. 5 minutes to go. Hey Raki, long time. Good to see you. I rarely see you in my live sessions. Hope you're doing well, and hope you're trading fine as well. We want to see you more in live sessions, Rocky. We've been taking some good trades in live sessions, and you are also one of the premium members there. Can't find coffee here. Coffee has a symmetrical triangle pattern formed. I'm just waiting for the breakout above or below for my entries. Above will be buy, below will be sell, short term sell for me till 50 EMA. Yes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes we have, and technically we are bullish. Fundamentals shows bullish as well. A weaker dollar means a stronger gold. Where is that? Um, yeah, looking forward to see you, Rocky, on Monday then. Perfect. So there are lots of Renault. Which one are you asking about, Theo? Which one are we looking at? Euro T, Euro TLX, Euro T, Euro, next Paris. I'm not sure if I'm looking at that correctly or. If you know the ticker, just let me know the ticker. I will just copy and paste it here. I think that's the one PR. Wow. That's a downtrend here we got. So what do you expect from this market? Of course, we are only expecting pullbacks and continuation. So that is my area. So I'll wait for the price to come to this area and sell it again. Very simply, pull back to go short again. So keep an eye on this area. And we have a news released, and wow, like I said, I'm bullish for dollar, and looks like we are testing the first stop. Ooh, wow, that's a big difference here. Negative a dollar here. That's why we have a good push here. Dollar was bearish, gold is bullish. True, recession vibes. So, and see, I told you indices are also going to push high. A good example here. So we were correct technically, and according to the fundamentals, we were correct as well. So good one. As you guys are watching me live here, we managed to predict the market correctly here for now. For the short term, I would say the short term moves. I don't trade the news. If I'm in the trade already, that's fine. Euro next Paris. Okay, let me mark. Why can't find Paris? There are so many other countries here. Come on. Let me know if you find a ticker here, Theo. Perfect. Yeah, sure. Yeah, do send me the link. I'll take a look. So, guys, now the news is released. Now I'll be looking at technical mainly. So I'll just give you a heads up on gold as well. Um, Now, if the solid candle close above this high, means we are completely bullish. If the candle closes back down, then we are looking for the red candles, bearish engulfers, or inverted hammers. So I was waiting for the news to release. That happens. Short-term push up for the day traders, for gamblers, I would say, who trade on the news. But no point trading the news, because your brokers will open the spread and you won't be able to take some good trades. So make sure you look for this candle, how it closes. If it closes higher, we are bullish for gold and we are looking for buying gold. But anyway, I'm expecting solid pullback out of gold, engulfers to go long again, and I'll be taking this pullback as my trades. If there is a sell conditions, which is my bearish engulfers, inverted hammers, which is my pin bars, to go short. So keep an eye here. And if you look here in the RSI, we are getting a solid divergence here, guys. Weakening in momentum. So there is a technical signal. We can't ignore that. Means we have a weakening in momentum, and price can lose its stream, and price can likely to give us a solid pullback. So a very strong divergence here in the price, but with divergence alone is not effective. We need to see a strong conditions like bearish candles here. That's my pleasure, Raki. Anytime for you. Silver is breaking out above this pattern. So if we have a solid close, expect some push up to these highs. Not a big push, but for silver, this push is still enough. But if this candle just pushes higher like this, only one candle, I won't be taking this trade. But if it stays here, then we can go for the scalp, maybe on 1 hour time frame, which is enough to these highs for now. But this candle can still push back down. That's just a news candle. Keep an eye. Euro is getting stronger. I like it. Wow. Good move. I want this to move high. So I have my two trades open, 1A with split risk. And don't take it because I've taken that. It might not play out. That's just showing you, just to show you my trades here, which I'll be showing in the weekend's video anyway. But it is live running here. What's happening with nat gas? Let's see that. Nothing much with nat gas. Still, Damien, the price is still pushing up and down. And let's see how this 4-hour candle closes. Very important to see that. Okay. So, guys, I'm about to end this live session now. Hope you guys have got some value. Watch the recorded session. Maybe you find something valuable. So, if you're looking to trade, I'll be trading euro against the weaker currency, pound against the weaker currency. Pound looks strong to me, euro looks strong to me. That is why both are stronger. That is why they both are struggling to break each other right here. Both are stronger. So euro is stronger. I would look to buy euro against the weaker currency, and pound against the weaker currency. That's for Thomas. Thomas, we are still in the range market in case you're watching this. Unless and until we are not broken below, we are not selling or buying, and broken above these highs. We had a fake out previously, but no entry confirmation. Same with Europe, Poland, nothing. Very bad price action here. That's why I didn't mention that in the last live session as well. CHF is stronger as well. CHF against any weaker currency. Hi guys, so hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my weekend's video, of course, and I'll be doing more live sessions hopefully next week. And you guys have an awesome weekend.